How to edit two photos together on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Make sure your Wi-Fi connection is on. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. On the next screen, tap on the search option and search for the Select Photos action. Tap on Select Photos. After that, tap on the arrow beside Select Photos. From the drop-down menu, enable Select Multiple. Next, add a second action by searching for and selecting Combine Images. This action will take the selected photos and stitch them together. Leave the mode as horizontally and add 5 pixels of spacing. Finally, add a third action by searching for and selecting Save to Photo Album. This tells the shortcut to save the final combined image to the Photos app. With the 3 steps in place, the shortcut is complete. Go to the top and tap on the arrow. After that, select Add to Home Screen. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Add. Now, open up the shortcut you've created and select 2 different photos from your library. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on Add. Once you are done, go to the Photos app. There, you can see a single image containing both original photos side by side. Following these steps, you can easily edit 2 photos together on an iPhone.